we've been delivering purpose-built lighting tools with unmatched versatility to U.S. warfighters since 2004. Our lights have established a new standard for point-of-injury illumination on the battlefield. In 2012, our Tomahawk MC Red Green was selected as part of the 68 Whiskey Combat Medic bag, and has been part of that bag with every upgrade since. In 2015, our TORQ Med was included as part of the Combat Lifesaver bag. In fact, the Combat Lifesaver bag didn't include a light until the TORQ Med was selected. Both lights provide unique advantages for medical professionals working in austere environments. Most soldier medics and combat lifesavers who know us refer to it as the blood light. This unique capability has been extensively studied, with independent research conducted and published in the Journal of Special Operations Medicine. This research has shown unique advantages in the areas of visual color discernment, natural dark vision adaptation after being exposed to light, tasks such as suturing, and light signature from a point of enemy perspective. Tomahawk MC offers a maximum white light output of 500 lumens, with a runtime of 2.5 hours. TORQ Med offers a maximum white light output of 200 lumens, with a runtime of 10 hours. When mounted to the chest, both lights can be quickly released with the push of a button. Adjustable light from the chest versus the head reduces light signature. Our lights are designed from the ground up, with a focus on the warfighter, and we take the T and TCCC very seriously. Beyond the point of injury illumination that's required to treat casualties, our lights can also be used with small arms. To maximize your soldiers' effectiveness with our lights, it's important that they're not only deploying with them, but also training with them. We would encourage active duty commands to take inventory of their Combat Medic and Combat Lifesaver bags to make sure that this capability is available to their soldiers. Both lights feature national stock numbers and are available for procurement through traditional contracting, the Medical Prime Vendor Program, or directly through First Light USA. If you have any questions on the lights or how to procure them, feel free to contact us.